Prepositions.
What are you reading, Jia?
I am reading about prepositions.
Prepositions? What are they?
Prepositions are words that tell us the relationship or position of a noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun. For example, in, on, under, down, behind, near, below, above, into, etc. See examples, Dodo. The ball is under the table.
Yes.
The ball is between the two boxes.
Yes.
The ball is in the box. The ball is near the chair. The water is in the glass. The squirrel is behind the tree. Have you understand, Dodo, how preposition works?
Yes, Jia. You can ask me questions and I know I will answer them correctly.
To know more about prepositions, subscribe Vaflecone.